Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Afghanistan? Let's explore. Construction jobs are very much needed in Afghanistan as the country continues to rebuild infrastructure. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker in Afghanistan is around $2,400, which comes down to about $200 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $2,200 or around $180 per month. Salaries vary depending on regions, with construction workers in Kabul earning slightly more compared to rural areas where wages are lower. Experience makes a noticeable difference, too. Beginners usually start at around $150 monthly, while skilled and experienced workers can earn more than $300. Education or formal training is rare, but can slightly increase earning potential. Having a university degree is uncommon in construction here, but those who have one typically earn better wages through management or supervisory positions, while those without remain in labor roles. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.